Ever wondered how far an animal can travel just for survival? Welcome to the fascinating world of animal migration. This remarkable phenomenon sees creatures of all shapes and sizes embark on epic journeys, driven by their instinct for survival. Take the Arctic tern, for instance. This feathery globetrotter holds the record for the longest migration of any bird. Its annual journey from the Arctic to Antarctica and back again sees it cover an astonishing 44,000 miles. That's roughly the equivalent of flying around the Earth, not once but almost twice. Then we have the wildebeest. Every year, as the seasons change in East Africa, these creatures embark on what's known as the Great Migration. In search of greener pastures and water, vast herds of wildebeest, accompanied by zebras and other ungulates, traverse a circular route between Tanzania's Serengeti and Kenya's Masai Mara. It's a spectacle that's as captivating as it is astonishing. Venture further north, and you'll encounter the caribou, or reindeer as they're also known. These hardy creatures undertake long-distance seasonal migrations across the Arctic and subarctic regions. They journey through vast tundras and boreal forests, moving in large herds in search of food and suitable calving areas. Dive into the ocean, and you'll meet the green sea turtle. These marine travelers are famous for their extensive migrations between feeding and nesting grounds. After laying their eggs on sandy beaches, these females journey back to their foraging areas in coastal waters, some even crossing entire ocean basins. From thousands of miles in the air to across the vast plains, these creatures truly show us the extent of their journey. But this is just the beginning. As we delve deeper into the captivating world of animal migration, you'll discover more species, each with its unique migration story. So, stay tuned as we continue this fascinating exploration of nature's greatest travelers. Now that we've delved into some terrestrial and aquatic travelers, let's look at some creatures who take to the sky and sea. Our first airborne adventurer is the common swift. This remarkable bird spends almost its entire life on the wing, flying from Europe and Asia to sub-Saharan Africa and back again. It sleeps and mates in flight, a true master of the air. Then we have the ruby-throated hummingbird, a tiny titan that defies its size with an impressive migration. These hummingbirds undertake a non-stop flight across the Gulf of Mexico, a journey that covers up to 500 miles to reach their wintering grounds in Central America and Mexico. Next we have the broad-winged hawk, a raptor with a remarkable migratory pattern. These hawks cover long distances, traveling from North America to Central and South America. They often congregate in large groups, forming what's known as kettles during their migration. Turning our gaze towards the insects, we find the dragonfly. Certain species, like the common green darner, undertake long-distance migrations, flying hundreds or even thousands of miles between their breeding and wintering areas. Let's not forget our land dwellers, the pronghorn antelope. Particularly in Wyoming and other western states, these antelopes undertake seasonal migrations, traveling long distances between low-elevation wintering areas and high-elevation summer ranges. Flitting back to our airborne friends, the ruby-crowned kinglet is a small songbird that migrates between North America and wintering areas in the southern US, Mexico, and Central America. Finally, we dive into the water with the salmon, famous for their spawning migrations. Born in freshwater rivers, they migrate to the ocean to feed and grow, then return to their birthplace to spawn. Some species, like the sockeye salmon, can travel hundreds or even thousands of miles during their migration. These incredible journeys remind us of the remarkable adaptability and resilience of wildlife. From the tiniest hummingbird to the grand wildebeest, each has its own story of survival, etched in the paths they take year after year. So, we've journeyed with different animals across land, sea, and sky, but what does this all mean? It means that migration is a fundamental part of nature's grand design, a vital survival strategy that has evolved over countless generations. It enables species to adapt to the changing seasons, to find food and water, to breed and raise their young. Whether it's the Arctic tern's globe-spanning flight, the wildebeest's relentless pursuit of greener pastures, or the green sea turtle's cross-ocean voyage, each journey is a testament to the power of instinct and adaptation. These animals have evolved unique behaviors and traits to meet the challenges of their migrations. From the swift's ability to sleep and mate on the wing to the hummingbird's non-stop flight over the Gulf of Mexico, these are feats of endurance that boggle the mind. In the grand scheme of nature, these epic journeys are a testament to life's enduring will to survive and thrive. So, next time you see a flock of birds in the sky or a herd of antelope on the plains, remember the incredible journeys they undertake every year.